Well, welcome back to the channel. Now at the night, I'm just taking a wee stroll, basically 5 mile walk, round about the yards it's called. Just a road that goes round about Stonehouse. So I've got my wee Panasonic Lumix with me, which is recording, and I've got my drone, that's it. I'm going to see if I can get any images with my drone, mainly, and a couple with this wee thing, so I'll go and see what's happening. Right, so this is the road I'm going up, mainly all uphill. We're good when I'm coming back home on Wooden Hill. Well, this is the view from the top of the hill. Right, so this is going to be my first shot, just about there. I'm going to try and fly the drone in. I've took a couple with this camera. I'll zoom it now. Well, it goes up to 1050 mil here. So I'll set up the drone, send it out, see what we get. There's a wee bit of wind, but it's flat, it's in a field, so push comes to shove, I shall retrieve it. Let's see how far in we can get. Well, that's that first shot done, hopefully, but we'll see. Anyway, onwards, let's go a wee bit further up the road. I don't know, there's a couple of wee bits there that I could probably photograph, so let's get to them before the sun goes away. And now and again I would fly the drone in there, but it's full of lambs. I'm not going to do that. Too many of them. How's the focus on this thing? That's it now, isn't it? There we go. So you can see the lambs, there's quite a few. So that's that out of the question. I'll just continue my walk. Right, so as wide as this thing goes, it's 35mm. It's 4K, but we'll see how the video looks or sounds, I don't know. I'm just going to keep walking in here. As I said, it's a 5 mile walk. And the sun's getting down, so we might get some more pictures as we go. Anyway, there's the view so far. I'll turn you around. It's not doing it justice here. Windmills everywhere. Part of life now, isn't it? Anyway, I'll continue. It's time to walk into the sun now. We're halfway around. About 2.5 miles. There's 2.5 to go and we're back home. Anyway, I'll see what else we can capture while we're here. A wee bit of droning. It's been done, some pictures with the drone, that kind of thing. As we can see, we've got plenty of trees here. I'll try and single one out, because there's a couple of nice wee trees as we go. I've took pictures here before, so I'll try and single one out and see if we can get a picture of it. Well, I've not seen much trees so far. I'm halfway up. So this wee tree here would be nice isolated. But there's too much behind it, I think. I'll take a portrait shot of it anyway. See how it goes. Now I'm going to take this shot here of this one with a wee tree underneath it, as if it's under its umbrella. So, under its arm, or what you want to call it. I'll take this wee shot. We'll see how it turns out. Look at this. Listen how quiet it is. Loud and hillary in the background there. This used to be walk away from my house. Total silence. Anyway, I'm nearly home. No, I'm not really. I'll go about 2 miles a day, I think. I just come along that road there. And then I'm just cutting up this wee road here to back home. See if I can get any more pictures on the way there. Hey, if we look by this wee coo here, and we zoom in, we touch, we're here to the farmhouse. I like that wee picture there in the farmhouse. I like the rust that's on the farm and the wee tree to the right hand side of it. So I'm going to take a picture of that. There's a hare at the end of the road. He'll be away by the time I get there, eh? Usually get them running straight towards you. It's quite a bit away from me, so they can't even hear me yet. He's running towards us. Maybe if I stand still, they might get closer. And there he goes. Plenty of wee horses in this wee field. It's a beautiful night. I'm back to where I started, just here, at the trees. The sun's gone down now, and it's just about home. Took me 2 hours, nearly 9 o'clock, I'm up at 5 for work. Don't worry about it, exam though. Anyway, that's it. That was quick, and it was wee. It was the right cameras. But if you liked this wee video, give us a wee like, wee subscribe if you like. And I'll see you sometime in the next video.